भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे।
This day resembles the sacrifice of hundreds and thousands of our martyrs, and so that this day should be celebrated, keeping that in mind that our independence came at a cost, and we have to take care of our independence. Moving forward, I'd like to call Devanshu Chatterjee to the mic for her speech.
Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, esteemed teachers, and my dear audience. Today, as we stand beneath our tricolor, we are not merely celebrating our Independence Day. We are celebrating freedom that generations before us dreamed of, fought for, and sacrificed their lives for. On this day, we remember countless known and unknown heroes of our freedom struggle. Those who chose courage over comfort and nation over themselves. From Mahatma Gandhi's unwavering faith in non-violence to Subhash Chandra Bose's call for courage, from Bhagat Singh's fearless patriotism to Rani Lakshmibai's extraordinary bravery. Every chapter of our freedom struggle reminds us that independence was never handed to us. It was earned through intense sacrifice. Their greatest gift to us was not merely freedom from foreign rule. It was the opportunity to shape our own destiny. Many of those who fought for our freedom never lived to see India that they dreamed of. They endured imprisonment, hardships, and uncertainty. Yet they continue to believe in a future they themselves might never witness. And that is perhaps the greatest lesson that they gave to us. To work for something that is greater than ourselves. Nearly 8 decades of independence, we should ask ourselves the most important question. What does freedom mean to us? As students, we might think that responsibility of nation building is for the future. But the truth is, nation building begins with our character today. It begins when we choose honesty over shortcuts, kindness over cruelty, unity over prejudice, and courage over silence. The India of tomorrow will be shaped by the choices that we make today. So let us merely not celebrate this Independence Day and also remember the sacrifices that won us the freedom that we are enjoying today. Freedom is not free. We have paid a very great price for it. Let us honor all our freedom fighters and the freedom, not taking it for granted. Honor it in a way that we chose freedom for ourselves. Let us carry the courage of our freedom fighters, the wisdom of our constitution, and the responsibility of our generation. And whenever we look at our tricolor, let us remember, it is not merely a flag above our heads. It is a promise of our hearts to carry forward the legacy of our freedom fighters and build an India that is stronger, kinder, and greater. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
After this inspiring speech by Devanshi Roy Chatterjee, I would like to call our Honorable Principal, Mr. Roshni, to the mic.
Respected Manager, Sister Vinita, dear sisters, teachers, parents, and my beloved students. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Let me know which Independence Day are we celebrating today? 80th, not 18, 80. Okay, we are celebrating the 80th Independence Day. And as we celebrate, the 80th Independence Day of our beloved nation, let us pause and remember the great sacrifice, courage, and determination of the men and women who fought for India's freedom. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate this day because on 15th August 1947, India became independent. After a long struggle from British rule, it's a day to remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and to be grateful for the freedom and opportunities we enjoy today. But Independence Day is not merely a celebration with flag hosting, patriotic songs, and cultural programs. It's a reminder of our responsibility towards our country. Whenever we celebrate the Independence Day, it reminds each one of us what is my responsibility towards my country. Freedom was earned through sacrifice, and therefore we must value it, protect and use it wisely. What can we learn when we celebrate this Independence Day? We learn unity in diversity, courage, discipline, selflessness, patriotism and responsibility. Our freedom fighters taught us that when people come together with a common purpose, even the greatest challenge can overcome. So dear students, the future of India is in your hands. The future of India is in the hands of each one of us. You may not be called upon to fight for the nation with weapons, but you can serve your country through knowledge, honesty, hard work, compassion, and become responsible citizens. Respect your country, respect one another. Respect your country and respect one another. Protect our environment and follow the rules always and strive to become good human beings. By protecting our environment, we do become a part to serve the country. What is most needed now is to care for our nation, care for our environment, thus we impart in the building of nation. Let us make our freedom meaningful by asking ourselves, what can I do today to make my India better tomorrow? What can I do today to make my India better tomorrow? May we grow as responsible citizens who carry forward the dreams of our freedom fighters and contribute to build a strong, peaceful, united and compassionate India. So once again, I thank each and every one of you for coming, joining to participate in this celebration of Independence Day. So wishing each one of you once again a very happy 80th Independence Day. Let's together say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.